Hello and welcome to another Microsoft Excel for Accounting video tutorial where we're going to show you how to do a schedule of cost of goods. So the first video here is going to be a very simple one. So we're going to be looking at 5A on page 308, chapter 7, unit 14. It says January 1, the inventory was $5,000. So merchandising inventory, got to change that to January, and the inventory was $5,000. And that obviously should be accounting. The purchases were $1,000. Again, we're going to go accounting. Top of the column, both of these, so they have a dollar sign. So we have no purchase returns and allowances, and we have no purchase discounts. So those two added go to here. So that should be sum of B8 and B9 go to there. We've got to take this one, so my net purchase cost, we're going to say equals this one minus this one is $1,000. Our transportation in, they have nothing for that, so that's a 0. And then we have the total cost of the merchandise purchased. So that's going to be equals this one plus this one. Enter. Then we're going to have the cost of the merchandise available for sale is, well, we had $5,000 before, now we have $1,000 more, equals this one plus this one, or I could have done an auto sum. This seems to make sense. Then the textbook tells us that the inventory on January 31, we've got to change this to was $4,000. Oh, we'll format all this. So this should be right click, format cells, accounting, and no decimal place. Or sorry, no dollar sign. And same with this. This should be right click, format cells, accounting, with no dollar sign. And then this one will be right click, format cells, accounting with a dollar sign. So then this one is going to be equals this, because the cost of goods sold is going to be the cost of the merchandise available minus how much we still have left, which is the merchandise on January 31st. So then we can see we sold $2,000 worth. And that is how you do a simple schedule of costs of goods sold. Thanks for watching.